Hello friend, it's a bright sunny day here at the homestead. A few weeks ago I planted my vegetable garden and my squash plants are already begging for something to hug. So today I'll be felling a few trees to make trellis for the squash plants. Don't be mad at me for cutting down the trees. They were planted so close together that they're not getting enough space to grow. So I'm thinning them and in the process getting some wood for the trellis. There's always work to do at the homestead. Either we are planting, preparing the farms, or harvesting, or maybe weeding. So I like this because it keeps me really engaged and not feeling like I'm missing out on anything. It is amazing that I can actually do these tasks, which I previously delegated to other people thinking they were too tough. And it's always a pleasure working in harmony with nature. The cucumbers are looking really healthy and ready to climb. Here we don't work with deadlines. It's just working at your own pace and at your own time. So I realize my rope is not long enough, so I'll have to get more to complete the trellis. During the dry season, I made some container gardens and I've been harvesting some food from it. And these are some of the last harvests of last season. Today is a very hot day, so let's make some fresh juice to drink after work. We only share the kitchen scraps with the hens. And I don't throw away my overripe bananas, I juice them. The afternoons are chill and peaceful. Today we enjoy a good laugh with my sister under the cool shades. My cocktail juice turned out so sweet and fresh. The evening is cool. We received some drizzles of rain, and I got some tomato seedlings which are overgrowing in the nursery, so that's what I'm planting. If you want to test your patience, try growing anything. It takes real patience to plant something from seed, watch it grow, and finally turn into food. And as they say, anyone who plants anything is a believer in tomorrow. Growing up, I always thought farming was something that was meant for the poor. But as I grow older, I've come to embrace farming, and it's more of a hobby now than just a chore. The soil is moist. This is the best time to also remove the weeds that are growing in between the vegetables. Some vegetables are grown too close to each other, so just weeding becomes not so easy. So we actually just pick the weeds from the plants. It's been amazing hanging out with you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.